Ay, piprito pa yan. Luluto pa yan ng dati.
Glasses, Mario. Picture ako na eating the fruit. Okay, picture. Picture ito.
Okay, okay.
Wait can. And the finish line. We go.
Ay, luluto pa. Mama.
We go with the hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. We go with the chicken. And we are tomatoes in the kitchen.
Yes.
Wow. What's that? Tomato. Daddy, picture mo sa hot dog. Picture ito in kitchen. Wait up. There was a quicker shot. Quicker.
Mamaya luluto pa ng apoy, oh.
Kaya namin. Basta.
Yung kakain hilaw, siya.